welcome to the Billionaire Journey Podcast. Today we're going to talk about the KLT Triangle. So what exactly is the KLT Triangle? How can it be used? Where should it be used? And how can it benefit your personal brand or your business? Now, so I'm currently writing a book called The KLT Factor, and one of the core concept of the book is to talk about the KLT Triangle and how it's going to help your business. So basically, the KLT Factor means, the KLT there is an acronym for know, like, and trust. Now, for anybody to be able to do business with you, especially in the long term, they have to know you, like you, and trust you. So the KLT Triangle is basically a triangle with the base of the triangle having the know, right? And the middle of the triangle having the like. And the top of the triangle having the trust. Now, before anybody can do business with you, the person has to know you, like you, and trust you, right? Before anybody can trust you, the person has to like you and then know you. It's basically a graduation from one stage to the other. It's a framework that can help you, if you understand it, to build a lasting relationship with your customers. It helps you not just to build, but to attract new customers and keep them for life. So, and this agrees with a lot of research. For example, I carry out a short survey in Africa with my community on Facebook. About more than 300 people, actually consumers, that were asked that, if you were to buy something from any brand, what exactly are you going to look out for? And many of those consumers say that they will buy things from how credible a brand has been over time. So you see, trust can take time. That is one of the disadvantages. But as much as you build that trust, it helps you to dominate the market. It helps you to dominate the market and to keep your customers for life. And if you look at, for example, now, just thinking about it right now, if you look at the Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and it's also talk about, if you look at the needs, it's just like a triangle as well. The base of the triangle, it's like safety and all of that. Now, if you look at the top, it's usually about satisfaction. So things that people don't really, that many people will not need, are usually at the top. So, and it's the same way, I don't know how to put this together, but it's the same way that, the KLT Triangle, many people will know you, right? Many people will be aware of you, in as much as Google is highly trusted brand today. Not everybody still trusts Google, right? But many people know Google, right? So many people will know you. Out of the many that know you, right, some will trust you. Some will like you. Not everybody's going to like you. And then eventually, few will trust you. You see, those few that trust you can then create a ripple effect by you turning them to evangelism, right? By you turning them to evangelists and then making them to become your advocates, talking about you all about. And that can really, really help your personal brand or your business. Now, let me give you a good example of this. So, there is this client of ours who wanted to start, speaking engagement. And I just told him, get just one person that will be really happy about your speaking engagement. After you get that person, get the person to refer you. So how do you get that person? And one of the ways is very simple. So the person started doing some, talking about certain topics, especially in his niche, on social media. And before you know it, somebody invited him to a speaking engagement, and it was electrifying. He wowed the person, and from there the person referred him, and then that is how his speaking career began. So I want to tell you that you have many things in your hand today to create the KLT factor, to make sure that everything works out for you very well. So I just want to encourage you that the KLT Triangle, you see, it's a concept, a framework that can help you when you understand it to build your brand, to attract customers, and to keep them for life. I hope that you got something from this, right? People have to know you, like you, and trust you. So maybe in the next episodes, we're going to talk about how you can increase each of these concept, how you can make people to know you more, how you can make people to like you more, and how you can make people to trust you. I look forward to that episode. Before then, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.